Friends, welcome to my Expert Ali Prime YouTube channel. My name is Babu Rao. Today, in this video, we are going to learn about the multi price levels and multi price list in Tally Prime. So, before entering into the topic, I request to you, everyone entering into my channel and watching my videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon next to the subscribe button and select all. You will get notification for all the videos which I upload in my channel, and also share my channel with all others. Okay. Another very important thing is watch every video till the end. Don't skip in the middle. If you skip in the middle, you will understand this topic or subject up to that point only. The balance you cannot understand, you will not know. It will be like half knowledge. So it is only waste of time, nothing more than that. That is why watch the video, every video till the end. If required, you can watch it more than once. So 2 3 times you can watch it. You'll get good knowledge, and also all the illustrations, examples, everything shown in the video. So you work out, even taking some other example also, one example. So you work out many number of times on the Tally Prime, then you'll get expert knowledge relating to this subject, this topic. Okay. Now we are entering into the topic. So I am sharing the screen. You see here. See, generally every trader will sell the goods to many people, and he will fix the rate for every stock item. He will fix a particular rate. So to everyone, he will sell that goods in at that price only. Sometimes he will allow some discount also. That's all. But sometimes some people, see here, some people, they will sell. So when the goods are sold to different types of customers, so there will be different types of customers. So in such case, we will create, so we will sell the stock items to different type of customers at different rates. At different rates also, depending on the quantity they purchase. So we'll fix the price to each type of the customer, each type customer, we will fix up the rate for the stock items, and also different rates for the stock items, and also depending on the quantity also, we will fix the rate. So depending on the type of the customer and also the quantity they purchase, we will fix the rate, and also along with this rate, we will give some discount also. So how to implement all this? That is creating different types of customers, creating the price list for different types of goods to different types of customers depending on the quantity of goods. So preparing the, fixing the or creating the price list along with the rates as well as along with the interest also. So the types of customers, we call them as price levels. So each type of customer is a level. So different types of customers, we create price price level. So for each level means each type of customer. For each level, we will fix the, we will prepare, we will create price list depending on the quantity. We will prepare the price list, will give different price, different rate for different quantities purchased, as well as we will allow some discount also. With all the discounts on the rate, we create the price list also. How to implement this in Tally Prime? First of all, we will create a company. I created multiple price levels. So creating the company is no different with others. So like that, like any other company, we create the company and we'll go to the, so if a new company is created, we'll go to the, after creation, we go to the features. If it is already created, we will go to the features by pressing F11 here. So maintenance of goods, that is maintain accounts, bill wise entry will enable. So there is inventory. So maintain inventory, integrate accounts with inventory. All this will make enable, and this what you call particular GST also, goods and service tax. So we will enable, because goods or services will have the tax. So we'll give the registration details and number, that is the GST number. So accepted, and this is accepted. So created the company, and in addition to these features, here we are going to create the price levels and price list. So for that, we have to enable the feature. For example, if you want to maintain batch wise details, batch number, date of manufacture, that is manufacturing date, and expiry date, if you want to maintain, we will enable, see, enable batches, we will enable. So like that. Similarly, for maintaining this price levels and price list, so for that we have to enable another option, enable multiple price levels. So for multiple price levels, we will create the multiple price lists also. So this one we have to make as, that is, we have to enable that. To enable that, then, so here ledgers, if we create, all the ledgers will be created in the normal way. No difference at all. Purchases, sales, tax, but debtors, creditors. But these debtors and creditors will include, from creditors will purchase. From debtors, we create the debtors, just we mention them as some debtors will be different levels. The different levels, different level means different type of customers. For example, in the case of a distributor, so he will sell the goods to, and what you call wholesalers. He can sell the goods to retailers also. Sometimes he'll give the goods to directly to the customers also. So wholesaler, retailer, customer, that is not customer, actually consumer. The consumer, all the three are the different levels of the different price levels. We have to create them. So creating everything will be the same. Creating the debtors and creditors, everything will be the same. And some credit also we create, we have to make purchases. Okay. And after this, so after completing this, and sometimes, so this is created multiple price levels. So along with multiple price levels, the goods rates for the goods, we will use some discount also. We will allow them in addition to the different price, different rates. We allow some discount also for that. Here itself at the end, last but one, use discount column in invoices. So we'll give the discount percentage, it will calculate the discount. So this also, so enable multiple price levels you have to make, enable that, and discount column also enable. If there is discount, you will give the discount rate. If there is no discount, we will not give anything. Okay, accept that, this is done. And now we have to, what we want, we require the price levels, different types of customers. We have to create the price levels, you have to create, and then we have to create the price list. So if you go to create or alter, if you go here, there will be, it will show, even create also, it will show in the inventory column. See here in the inventory features, these price levels, the different rates, all these are related to inventory. So in the inventory masters, you can see here, we can see price levels and price list, stock group, price list, category. Category is not required, so don't go for that. So we'll go for stock group. See here, this price list, we can prepare the price list. So single price list for all the goods, one price list for all the goods, or if goods are created, I mean, groups are created. So in each group, there will be some items. So group wise, for each group, one price list. So each group is for the type items in that group, one price list. And the items in another group, another price list. Like that, you can create group wise price list. You can create, or all the items together, we can create one single item. That is single price list. So price level you have to create, price list you have to create. Okay. And now here, when you are creating the price levels is the types of customers. When you are creating the price list, so we require the purchase price also, because we should not fix the price below the purchase price. But sales price, the sales rate should be more than the purchase value, purchase rate. That is why before making this, what we do is, first of all, we will make some purchases. After that, we will go for sales, because when you are making the price list, we have to, it will show the purchase price, cost price also. So with the help of that, we can fix the rates. So for purchases, I am going, so I am taking it on 1st April. I am taking, so here purchase we are making F9. So purchases, so there is, so I'll give number 258 for example. Date is 1st April. Okay, that is showing second, first. If there is first, it will show second if you click. So 1st April. 1st April. So this is the thing. And we are purchasing from C. We created two creditors. So here in this, we have a problem. In this problem, there are two groups are there. And for each group, two items are there. So these items we will purchase. Okay. So first of all, here we'll go here. We will purchase from. So there are two is one is group is computers, another group is televisions. So there are two persons. One is computer land for computers, television house for television. So we are taking this here. So this one accept. So this is the party details, and then we are making purchases. Go to purchases. What we will do? So here I already created stock items. Everything I created already in advance. Already we know how to create the stock items, how to create the parties, everything. So now I already created the stock items. In the stock items, we will not ordinary in the other way, in a normal way, we will create the stock items. I'll show you how. So first of all, Dell laptop you will take up. Dell laptop. So how you will create? See, Dell laptop. So I have created the groups. No, computers and televisions. So group will be computers. This is pieces, and then applicable. This is the HSN code. So this is the Dell laptop. Description I'm giving laptop. So taxable rate 18%. Like this. This is the normal way. And now we are purchasing, for example, 15 pieces. So for the computers, I give pieces, 15 pieces. Each one will be around. Each one will be how much you will sell for that Dell laptop. The least price is 17,000 minus 70,000 minus 5%. For example, 5% is 16,150. So for example, this one Dell laptop we will purchase for Dell laptop we purchase for 15,000. Dell laptop we purchase for 15,000, and then HP computer. This also we purchase 15 now 15 pieces, and in this case also the same rates we will make it as 15,500. Computer means it will be more. So accept now CGST, GST collected. So new reference are taken. Then next number two. Next, for example, 558 some other person. Now we purchase from television house. So television house. These are the details and purchases we are purchasing. So in this case, so Sony TV and Onida TV. So we take Sony TV. Sony TV also 50 numbers we are purchasing. Rate will be, so the least price for wholesaler, this will be the least price, 21,000, 21,000 minus 8%, minus 8%. So 19,320 is the price. So we will take it as 18,000. So we purchased it for 18,000. And Noida TV 30 inches, we purchased 15 for this also. For this, we take it as 18,500. And then CGST, GST, we purchase from the same state, that is local. You see here, this is the same. We go to the party details, Telangana. That is why CGST, GST. If it is interstate, we have to take it as IGST. Okay, accept. This is the new reference. So purchases are made. So with this purchases, this purchase price will be shown when we are making the price list. This purchase price will be shown. Okay, purchase price will be shown. 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay. And now after making the purchase, now we will go to our problem. See here, there is one problem already created. So the company will be, so the name of the company is something like I already created. Multiple price level is the company I created. Everything is done. Now here, the price levels, that is different types of customers, wholesaler, retailer, consumer. So first of all, we have to create the multiple price level. Multiple price level, first of all, the multiple price levels are wholesaler, retailer, consumer. Inventory features, multiple price levels you have to make, yes. Okay. And then multiple price masters you have to create. That create master, multiple price levels. These three we have to create. So go to, so here, create button, go to create or go to alter. So we'll go to create. So here, go to price levels. We'll create three levels. First one is wholesaler. Wholesaler. Second one is, retailer. Retailer. Third one is consumer. Many people they make it as what is customers. Customer means person purchasing from us. All these persons are purchasing from us. All these are our customers. This is consumer who purchases and use for himself. So three levels we completed. Three levels we purchased. Then we'll go to the price list. So this price list, if you go here, so it will ask you the group wise you are taking. If you take all items, go to wholesaler and you see here all the four items will be shown. Okay. Or if you take groups, so if you take only not all items, means all the items one price list will make. So if you take the group wise, for each group you have to make a price list. So for each group, that is each group, there are two groups. So price levels are three. So for all the three persons, we have to create three price levels. For each level, we have to get two price lists for two groups. One is for computers, another is for television. First, I will take up computers, and the persons are the price levels: wholesaler, retailer, consumer. First, you will take the wholesaler, and the price is applicable from 1st April 25. So if you create that, this is the group, computers group, wholesale is the price level applicable from this. So first we will take up this. See, Dell laptop. See, the purchase price is 15,000 rupees. 15,000 rupees is the purchase price, and that is the it's called as cost price 15,000. Is it 15,000? So if it is 15,000, the price should not be less than 15,000. Here we will give the range. So what is the quantity? Here is the stock item laptop. So for both Dell laptop, and there may be for laptop, Dell laptop and HP computers, prices may be different. I am giving the same prices for this group, the same prices for this group. So first of all, we are taking wholesaler. So up to less than 6 here it's not given. From it is not given. So actually it is called as it is 0. 0 to actually if it is 0, we will not sell 0. So it will be 1. 1 to 6 actually it is, but it is not given anything here. So less than 6. Less than 6 means up to 5. Less than 6 means 5. So this is 0 to 5. That is the meaning. So 0 to 5. What is the price for wholesaler? 18,000 rupees. 80,000 rupees is the price. And if there is any discount, this is for wholesaler and retailer 2%. Okay, 2% discount is there. And then so 0 to less than 5. Less than 6 means up to 5. From 6 to less than 11 means up to 10. This is given as less than. So if you give 11, that means less than 11 means up to 10. 6 to 10. 0 to 5. 6 to 10. 6 to 10. The rate is 17,500. 17,500. Discount rate is 3%. Discount rate is 3%. Then after that, 11 or more, that is above. So less than we will not give anything. 11, this is blank means less than 11 and above. It is 17,000. 17,000, and the discount rate is 5%. Discount rate is 5%. This is for Dell laptop. Then go to HP computers. Again, it is less than 6 means up to 5. So that is how the price is the same. So for this also, we take 18,000, and 6 to less than 11, it will be 17,500. The price for this and this different prices may be there. Just I am giving take same price. Whatever price is there, we will take that price. For this, the discount is 3%. Above 11, it is 17,000, and the percentage discount is 5%. Okay, 3. So three levels, that is 3 stages quantity. So 0 to less than 6 means 0 to 5, 6 to 10, 10 up, I mean 11 and above. This is 10, and 11 and above. These are the rates. So we created, so computers, we created the group. Okay, then go to the same computers. Now we will take up for retailers. For each group, we will make a price list for each type of customer, that is each price level. So we will take up retailer, 1st April 22, and here again laptop computers. See here, now we are taking retailer. So retailer 20,000 is the, so up to 5. That means less than 6. It is less than 6 means up to 5. It is 20,000 for wholesaler. I mean, sorry, retailer. The rate is, the discount is same 2% here. And 6 to less than 11, that is up to 10. It is 19,000. 19,000 rate is, discount rate is 3%. Above 11, the rate is 17,000. Sorry, not 17,000. 19,000. It is 18,000. So 18,000, and the discount is 5%. So sorry, discount is 5%. Then go to HP computer. Less than 6 means up to 5. The same rates, 20,000, and the rate of discount is 2%. 6 to less than 6 to 10, that is less than 11 means 10. It is 19,000, and it is 3% is the discount. 11 and above, it will be 17. What is that? 18,000. Sorry, it is 18,000, and the rate is, discount rate is 5%. So this is complete. So for the two levels we completed. Now the same computers will take up consumer. So this is the third one. So again, take less than up to 6, that is less than 6. So this is for consumer. Rates will be here, discount rates. So 25,000 is the rate, and there is no discount for less than 6. Up to 5, there is no discount. So we will not give the discount. Then 6 to less than 11 means this 6 to 10, the rate is 24,500. Here the rate of discount is 2%. 2%. 11 and above, the rate is 24,000. The rate is 24,000. Discount is 4%. And then here Dell laptop, and after that we'll take up HP computers. This is also less than 6 means the rates are the same. 25,000, no discount. So 5 to 10. The 6 to 10 means 6 to less than 11. It is 24,500. The rate of discount is 2%. Above 11,000, above 11 numbers, that is above 11 pieces, it is 24,000. 24,000. The discount rate is 4%. Okay, that's all. So for one group, we complete the three lists. Then we will take up televisions. Again, we will start with wholesaler. So televisions you're taking. So here, what is given here? Sony TV first it is given. So Sony TV, so less than 6, it is. So I'm taking wholesaler again. Wholesaler for televisions. Wholesaler, I'm taking 22,000. 20,000. Purchase price is 18,000. So 22,000. And for wholesaler and retailer, there is discount. So for wholesaler and retail, everyone, 2% is the discount. First one, less than 11 means up to 10. It is 21,500. 21,500. The rate of discount is 5%. Rate of discount is 5%. Above 11, it is 21,000. Above 11, 21,000. This is 21,000. 21,000. Rate of discount is 8%. Then come to Unida TV. So less than 6. Less than 6 is the same rate, 22,000, and discount rate is 2%. So less than 11, 6 to 11,000, 6 to less than 11, it is 21,500. Discount rate is 5%. Discount rate is 5%. Above 11, it is 21,000. The rate of discount is 8%. So the same rates we are given. So we completed that one. So 20,000, 20,000, 21,500, 21,258. So 258. Okay. So this is completed. So television for wholesale we completed. Now television for retailer, the same date. So the same Sony TV, less than 6, it is. So retailer, it is 25. So 25. Discount rate is 2% for this SIM also. And 6 to less than 11, it is 24,500. And the discount is the same thing, 5%. 11 and above, so 24,000, the same rate is given, and 8% is the discount for this one. Then go to Unida TV, the rates are the same, 25,000. 25,000, rate is 2% discount rate. 6 to less than 11, 24,500, rate is 5,000. 24,500, and 11 and above, 24,000. 24,000, discount rate is 8%. So this price list is completed. That is television group retailer. First we made wholesaler, then retailer. Now they take the same television, we take the consumer. And also here Sony TV less than 6. What is the price? 28,000. 28,000. And for him there is no discount for the up to less than 11, less than 6. There is no discount for the retailer. Everyone for the retailer there is no for the consumer, there is no discount. Now 6 to less than 11, the rate is 27,500. There is a discount of 2%. And 11 and above, the rate is 27,000, and the discount rate is 5%. Okay. Then come to Unida TV. So this also less than 6, 28,000, no discount. 6 to less than 11, this means 6 to 10, it is 27,500. The rate of discount is 2%. And 11 and above, the rate is 27,000 and the discount rate is 5%. Okay, this is completed. So now we made, see, computer, we have taken three groups. For computer, retailer, as a wholesaler, retailer, consumer. And for televisions, we have taken the three groups. So now we prepared the groups also. That is, we prepared the price. So what we did, we completed price levels we created, then and then we created the all the computed for all the computers. So consumer, everyone we created. Okay, now and instead of these groups, if we take all items, we can create one single for each type of customer. Each price level, we made two price lists. One is for computers group, another is for television group, two groups. If we don't have create the groups, all the four items will be in. There will be no groups. Directly in every price list, all the four items will be taken, four items. That means for three type levels of customers, for three price levels, we will prepare three price list only. Here for each level we created two price lists. Totally six price list we created. Okay. Now we'll make the sale entry. So we'll go to voucher. We'll make the sales. So now we are selling on 2nd April, for example. So we are making sale. We are making the sale. So here we will sell to wholesalers as well as wholesalers, retailers, consumers. So you take up. I created two creditors. I created, and then I created one wholesaler and then retailer, consumer. In brackets I give. This is W means wholesaler, Radhika Enterprises. See here, details will be there. And here it will ask you what is the price to be given to him. He's a wholesaler. So the price list made for wholesalers are to be selected. So select wholesaler. Select wholesaler. That is the price level you have to give here. Select wholesaler, then sales. So this is the person, this is the wholesaler. So any item you take for the respective group, what is the price list given? That will take the price list relating to the wholesaler level. So now we can sell anyone. So for example, we are selling Dell laptop. For example, he's a wholesaler na. Dell laptop, we are selling six, for example. Now five we are selling. So Dell laptop, we are selling five items. So five items means less than six means five. Up to five means the rate is 18%, 18,000, and rate of discount is 2%. See here automatically it will take 18,000 and 2% discount. So from the quantity, it will take automatically the rate and the discount. Automatically the amount is calculated, total amount. So directly cursor will go from quantity to the amount. So the cursor will not go here. Okay. Now second one. Again, we purchased Unida, that is we sold to him, this person, we sold Unida TV, suppose 8 numbers. Unida TV, 8 numbers. So Unida TV, 8 numbers. Unida TV, we sold 8 numbers. So 8 numbers. So 8 numbers means for the retailer, wholesaler. 8 numbers means 6 to 10. So in between that, for the 6 to 10, the rate is 21,500 plus discount is 5%. So it will take automatically 21,500 and discount is 5%. He is taking already. If you take one more item, again it will take. For example, you will take up one. Sony TV will take two numbers. So up to 5 that is given. So that's enough. Only 2 we are taking, and then CGST and SGST. So it is calculating, the amount is calculated. Okay. Now this is, so this is the for the wholesaler we made. For example, now we will sell to retailer. Retailer, who is the retailer? Ramana Traders. We'll go to retailer, accept. This is also local, regular person, and we are making. So what is the level for him? The price level is retailer. We have to select the price level, retailer, sales. So now here, for example, HP computer. For example, HP computers. So HP computers, we sold, for example, 7. 7 if you sell HP computers, this is the retailer. So 7 means 6 to 11. It is 19,000 and discount is 3%. See, 19,000 discount 3%. It is automatically calculated. 19,000 into 7 numbers. It is 1,33,000 minus 3%. 3% is equal to 29,010 rupees is the amount. So it will automatically calculate. Then next second one will take up. The second one will take up. So Sony TV will take up. Sony TV. So Sony TV, we will take up in the Sony TV, for example, 11 numbers are taken. For example, 11 numbers you will take up. 11 Sony TV purchase. 11 numbers means for the person is retailer. 7 numbers for retailer. The rate is for 11 numbers means 11 to 11 or more. You taken 11 numbers. 11 to extend 11 to any number. 11 or more. The rate is 24,000. 24,000 and the interest, the discount is 8% is already calculated. Okay, here, so here we are taking, so here 24,000 is taken from the price list. For example, it is going directly from quantity to the amount it is going. The currency is going to here. Suppose the price list is 24,000. So for 11 or more, price list is 24,000. Just we told him, so we will get for 23,500 rupees. We promised him to give for 23,500 rupees. But the price list is taking as for all the people, the price list is 24,000 for the retailer. So we promised him 23,500, but here it is taking the price list. So what to do? We have to only for this one, only for this person, for this transaction only. This is to be altered to 23,500. For all others, for him also other time, every invoice, the rate will be 24,000 rupees as per the price list. Now, how to calculate, how to amend this, how to edit? So it is going to directly. So back also it is coming to this only. What to do? So in this case, we have to make it to make alteration in this field for this transaction only. So what we go to F12. So take it here, make yes here, and this also make yes. You will get all the options. You will get here. You see, modify all fields. All fields means any field. Modify all fields during the voucher entry. So make it yes. If you make it yes means we can modify all the fields. Any field we can modify. So now it is going to the field, that is rate field 23,500, and rate the discount also we make it 10%. For example, we promised him, so we added this, that is we changed it. So the amount is changed, that is rate is changed, and the discount is also changed. So CGST, HGST completed. After this, and if you keep like this, every time it will go there to the rate column. It is not there as per the price list you has to take. For this only we made, and again after completing this transaction, again go to F12. Now modify all fields during voucher entry. Make it no again. That's all. So other cases it should not be there. So that is the thing we cannot modify in the when you are making the entry. So like that you have to modify and you have to make it no. So from other invoices it will not make anything. So that is over. Now we sold to wholesale retailer also. Now we will take to consumer. Consumer means you'll have to any registration number, unregistered or consumer. So we are selling. So you have to take the level, price level, consumer. So sales we are making, for example, this is the consumer. For him, this is the rate. So here, Unida TV we are selling to him. So for example, Unida TV, 2 numbers we are selling. 2 numbers means 1 to less than 6, 1 to 5. The rate is 28,000. That is sorry, 20. The both are same. 28,000 is the rate, and discount there is no discount. So if you take this, so 28,000 there is no discount, and then you'll take an HP computer, for example. HP computer he has taken again. HP computer he has taken also. For HP computers also he has taken, for example, 6 numbers he has taken. 6 numbers means 6 to 11. So consumer 24,500 and 2% is the discount. See, 24,500 and 2% is the discount, and then CGST, SGST. So we completed. So during the voucher entry, we cannot make the alteration of the rate because it will take as per the price list. So if you promise them to give at a less price, then for that transaction only go to F12, modify all fields during the voucher entry, make it yes, and modify that. Then it will go to the rate field. You modify that and then make the entry. After completing the entry, again go to the F12, make the modify all fields during the voucher entry, make it no. Okay, over. That is the thing. And another thing is here, see here we are making the entries. So we made purchases already. These are the two purchases, these are the sales. So what we are doing here, when you are making the entry, after entering the name, the cursor will come to price level, and it will come to price level. We have to select the price level. We are making that now. So every time for the person here, I make it as C. So consumer we are selecting. So every time we select a person, we must remember what is he, what is this price level? Is he a retailer or consumer or wholesaler? Who is he? So we have to select that one. So in such case, sometimes he is a consumer. In the case of consumer, no problem. For example, you have taken here, he is the retailer. So here when we are selecting, we have to select retailer. He is a retailer. We have to select retailer. So retailer price list will be accepted. Suppose by mistake he is a retailer, but we select wholesale. That means wholesale rate will be applicable to him. The prices will be taken at, the rates will be taken at wholesale rate. So it will be a problem. So instead of to avoid that such a problem, what we can do is for each debtor, that is each buyer from a customer, when for each customer, when you are creating his ledger, see, when you are creating his ledger, when you are creating his ledger, in the ledger itself, we can mention what is the type, what is the price level. Is he a wholesaler or retailer or consumer? We can mention the type of the customer, that is the price level in the ledger itself. In such case, if you give that, there it will automatically, it will by default, it will take, we need not select that. So for example, here, you will make one more entry. So we will make another entry for a person. See here. So here we are making an entry. So before making the entry, suppose we will create a debtor. We will create a debtor again, Ram and Co. For example, Ram and Co. we created is a sundry debtor. Okay. And now here he is a sundry debtor. What is he? That is whether he, what is the price level? So we have to mention the price level here. So in this case, after the group, so before this, that is bill wise entries, we have to make a alteration. So come to F12. Come to F12. So in the ledgers creating, in the ledger creation itself, we have to use the price level. See here, use, you see, you use inventory, not inventory allocation, use here, use price levels for party ledgers. In the party ledger itself, use the price level. No, you make it yes. If you give that, automatically one alteration, I mean, one option will come. Price level applicable. What is the price level applicable to him? So, for example, if you take wholesaler, so all other things is the same. All others are same. Okay, now if you go to voucher, now we are making a voucher. Say here, sales we are making on the second. So what is the person name? Other person is Ram and Co. So if you select the Ram and Co, so this is the dispatch details. Then sorry, this is dispatch details. Accept party numbers are not given. So accept party details. After accepting, sorry, accepting this, after accepting this, automatically, so this will go, cursor will go to the price level, but now it is not going to price level, directly came to sales. So price level automatically it is fixed, because in the ledger itself, when I am creating the ledger, in the ledger itself we have given the price level. So that is why automatically that price level is taken. The cursor is not going to price level, coming down to the sales counter, sales voucher ledger. So price level is automatically taken. Now we take, for example, HP Dell laptop. Suppose 6 numbers. So it is taking Dell laptop 6 numbers means 6 numbers. Is a wholesaler. 6 numbers means 6 to 11. It is 17,500 and 3%. 17,500 and 3%. So CGST, CGST, SGST. For example, we may create it as. So we will take it we will take it as, see here, we will take it as Telangana, for example. We will take it as Andhra Pradesh. So we will take him as Andhra Pradesh. So okay, we will take Andhra Pradesh. So in this case, accept. So here it will take his state is Andhra Pradesh. We altered. When you make alteration after this, in the middle, if you make alteration, it will not change here. Again, here also you have to change Andhra Pradesh. So he is Andhra Pradesh. In Andhra Pradesh, when you are supplying, this place will be place of supply. It will take automatically. So here I have accepted. Now CGST is not calculating because it is in the state IGST. So we have to create IGST. IGST duties and taxes, IGST, accept. So IGST is calculated. HGST will not be calculated, or if you even if you say no problem after accepting the voucher. So the amount, any field without value, without amount, it will disappear. So accept. So here what is happening here, when you give the time price level in the ledger itself, it is happening. Okay. So this is the thing. And suppose we are selling to a person, so we are not applying any price level to him. So wholesaler, not price level, some other rate we are giving. In such a case, for example, uh, Krishna Rao. Krishna Rao, generally Krishna Rao means sundry debtor, and he will be Krishna Rao person. Person means suspense account. So Krishna Rao, sundry debtor. So he's not applicable. So here, so price level not applicable. We are not giving any price level to him, and also here we are giving him as so consumer. So here, if you take this, okay, here you see, now it is coming to here because in the ledger we are not given not applicable. Here you have to select anything, but it is not applicable, not giving any level. So take not applicable. So here you take anything here. So Onida TV, one number, for example, we are selling. So the amount, actually previous amount it is taking, but actually this is not the amount. What is the amount you are giving? See, we are giving as 28,000 rupees. Onida TV 28,000, giving as retail because the last entry we made is 28,000 rupees for the wholesale. While the consumer 28,000 it is taking. So now we can give it as, for example, is 30,000 we are charging. So 30,000 rupees, no discount, or there is 2% discount, whatever it may be, differently. Not applicable, any price level is not applicable. We are giving some random amount, whatever you want. Now CGST, HGST. Like this, we take not applicable, we can pay it. So this is about that. And see, when you are making the entry, we are not able to, that rate is taken from the price list. That is multiple from the price list, it is taken, it is not accepting. You have to go to capital, modify the result. But we can if you want to alter in the price list itself, we can make alteration. For example, we are taking computers, so wholesaler, so you are taking here this one. If you want to make alteration, if it is 18,500, so here all these things, if you make it as 18,500, okay. So okay, now this is applicable from April 25th. So the rates are given here. That is the cost price. Suppose from 1st June we are making changes. So for 1st June we are making changes. So what you do is here, now go to alter page or create page. So alter page you are going, alter page you go, see here, go to price list. So from price list we are taking computers, only one thing I am taking for the wholesaler from 1st June 25, applicable from 1st June, we are making changes. For example, Dell laptop less than 6, what is the rate here? Wholesaler computers, Dell laptop, computer 18,000, we are making 18,500 rupees, and discount is 3%. Okay, and less than 11, 10, we are making it as 18,000. We are making it as 18,000. The discount rate is 4%. For example, above 11, the rate amount is 17,500 increase, and the discount is 6%. For example, and only that, and this also we will make it. So otherwise, this is not increased. So this is not done. See here, when I'm making that from 1st June, the old amount from 1st April, the rate will be shown here. Okay, so up to this, before this, that is from April 1st to before this 31st May, up to 31st May, this rate will be applicable. Only after 1st June only this rate is applicable. If you make entry on 31st May, so these rates will be applicable. The price list will be applicable in this. So these prices will be applicable from 1st June only. This is applicable. For example, for this, nothing is created, accept. Okay, in this price list, only we changed from for the Dell laptop only. For example, we are making entry. For example, we are selling to again wholesaler. We are selling the whole same wholesaler. We are selling. So wholesaler, that is, we are given there not applicable. But now we can give it as applicable here. If you give it as applicable, that is wholesaler. So automatically here the automatically it will go to the automatically taking. So for example, we change it to that is only Dell laptop we change. Dell laptop, for example, four numbers. What is the four numbers here? Actually, four numbers means up to six, it is 18,000. New price list you are given as 18,500 rupees. That is from first. So date will be, we will take up 1st June. So from 1st June, the rate will be increased to 18,000. It is increased. So four numbers, see, 18,500 rupees. It is 2% increase to 3%. So this is okay. And if you take up this HP computer, this is a two numbers. For example, this will be taken as the same number. This is the same amount, 18,000 only. This HP computer, the same old rate, 18,000 only. And there for this one, 18,000 and for 2% is there. Sorry. For the not consumer, it is wholesaler. HP computer also there is 3% old rate is 3%. This is now it is Dell laptop, HP computer not any we not changed anything. So two pieces. So 18,000 rupees is the two pieces mean 18,000 old wholesaler. Old rate will be taken and it has to take 2%. It is not taking 2%. Okay, no problem. I'll check up why it is happening. For two cases, it is price level. It is not showing. Okay, it has to take 2%. It has to take old rate is 2%. So it has to take the same rate 18,000 and 2% it has to take the discount for wholesaler and retailer. There is 2% discount that I will check up. Okay, no problem. So CGST, GST like this. So if you make the increase the price, if you give the new price list, so on the right side, old price list will be shown from that date to before this date. That is the previous date, previous to this date. So the old rate will be applicable. From the new date only, new rates will be applicable. This is about the multiple price levels and multiple price lists. So practice it well and you will get the good knowledge. Okay. So with this, I am closing this and I wish you all the best and I am closing this channel. Thank you. Bye.